Let us understand how to solve an unknown value in the given question. If 40% of a number is equal to 2/3 of another number, what is the ratio of first number to second number? Before we solve this question, let's understand what percent is. As the name itself suggests, percent. So cent means 100. For suppose, let's assume percentage of a number is given. Then how do you convert it to fractions? That is that number by 100. Similarly, if it is 25%, it is 25 by 100. 50%, it is 50 by 100, and so on. Now we shall try to solve this question. 40% of a number is equal to 2/3 of another number. So let's take the two numbers as A and B. If 40% of A is equal to 2/3 of B, this statement is sufficient to build an equation. Therefore, 40% of A is equal to 2 by 3 of B. That is 40 by 100 into A is equal to 2 by 3 of B, and this becomes 2A by 5 is equal to 2B by 3, and from this A by B becomes 5 by 3, that is A is to B is equal to 5 is to 3. So this is the ratio of first number to the second number. Let's solve another question. The fourth proportional of 5, 8, 15 is. Let's write 5, 8, 15 and take the unknown value as x. So this is A, B, C and D. If A, B, C, D are in proportion, then product of means is equal to product of extremes. From the question we can say that 5, 8, 15 and x are in proportion. Therefore, we can write it in the following way. Now, product of means is equal to product of extremes. Therefore, 5x is equal to 15 into 8. And the value of x will be 24. This is how you can find out the fourth proportional. Or you can directly substitute in the formula, that is D is equal to B into C by A. Even this formula is derived from the product of means is equal to product of extremes. So both are one and the same. This is how we can solve the unknown proportion questions. We are done with the category 2 questions. Meet you in the next lecture.